Think treadmills haven't changed over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is the top-of-the-line cardio experience that connects you with world-class incline control, streaming entertainment, and our secret sauce, the Journey experience, offering an epic array of personalized features from an immersive 22-inch console. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, and it's all from the comfort of your living room. A Journey membership keeps your runner's high going, allowing you to explore something new and personalized every day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while putting in the day's work. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills with the best incline capabilities. 5% decline, all the way up to 20% incline. Extended handlebar grips are specifically designed for high incline workouts, so you can take the high road or the low. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 22-inch console immerses you in all the amazing things the Treadmill 22 has to offer. After your workout, the 22 folds up nicely to maximize space for the other things in your life. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 22. It's a runner's high you won't want to miss.
Get professional-grade workouts in your home with the newly redesigned Commercial Series from NordicTrack. With iFit, you'll have access to some of the world's best-known trainers as they guide your workout from stunning locations in all 7 continents. The highly responsive, high-definition touchscreen is designed to make exercising a truly immersive experience. All you have to do is choose your workout program and start running. Your trainer will take charge.
We're gonna take the incline up just a little bit.
Automatically adjusting your treadmill's incline, decline, and speed to match the features of the landscape and intensity of the workout. From the beautiful beaches of Thailand to the bustling streets of New York City. With iFit, you can do more than just run. The all-new tilt and pivoting screen will open your world to yoga, guided strength training to give you total body fitness. The Commercial Series is built to last with an industry-leading warranty. Our most advanced sound system means clearer audio.
That sound of crunching snow.
For an even more immersive workout.
You just hear the sounds of India here.
Experience a new way to run on NordicTrack.
Let's take a look at the Soul F85, one of our elite in-home treadmills. With a space-saving design, it's been called the strongest folding treadmill on the planet. It couples our ultra-durable double horseshoe welded steel deck with our Cushion Flex Whisper Deck suspension system that reduces impact up to 40%, and it's propelled by the most powerful motor we offer. And when you're done, our Easy Assist folding design makes it simple to fold up and roll out of the way. With the push of a button, you can take a run designed by fitness experts to help you burn fat, boost cardio, or improve endurance. Handle-mounted buttons help you stay in control, and the large, colorful screen keeps you focused on your goals. The redesigned console has extra features to keep you energized, refreshed, and hydrated. Use the built-in Bluetooth to connect your smartphone or tablet to track your workouts over time and upload them to many of the top fitness apps. And because it's built by Soul, you can trust it for years of fitness. Get the full list of features, specifications, and more at our website. Then experience the extraordinary build and performance of the Soul F85.